How to redeem 16-digit Fortnite code on PS4. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem 16-digit Fortnite code on PS4. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open the PlayStation Network account or use your existing PlayStation Network account. Next, go ahead and select the PlayStation Store icon on the PS4 system home screen. Now, on the PlayStation Store, you will see the option for redeem codes. Select the redeem codes at the bottom of the menu and then enter the code in the text box you see there and further tap on the redeem button. Once the code has been entered correctly, select the continue button on the dialog box. Finally, select confirm to accept the trial code terms of service and then select continue again to complete the code redemption. So, this is how you can redeem 16-digit Fortnite code on PS4. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.